Hi, I'm Jason with SmartEd. We're a distributor for Promethean ActivPanels in Japan. Let's take a look at the Promethean ActivPanel and what you get when you purchase one. First of all, Promethean has more than 20 years of experience of producing interactive panels for the classroom. So they have a long history of producing interactive technologies for classrooms. These panels are a 4K LCD screen with a pane of Gorilla Glass on the front, so they're made to withstand the wear and tear of the classroom. First, let's take a look at what you get in the box when you purchase Promethean ActivPanel. The first thing you're going to get is the panel. The titanium, this is a titanium 70-inch model. The titanium series comes in three sizes, 70-inch, 75-inch, and 86-inch. And the nickel comes in three sizes as well, a 65-inch, a 75-inch, and an 86-inch. First of all, you're going to get out of the box, you're going to get the board, and you're also going to get the wall mount. The wall mount is the only thing that you need if you're going to put this onto the wall. You just put the wall mount securely onto the wall, and then hang the board onto the wall mount, and you're ready to go. The stand is separate. If you're interested in stands, you can contact us and we can give you options for stands. The board is going to come with a power cord, which you cannot see here, but it plugs into the board right under here. And right next to the power cord is a hard switch, so you can turn the board on and off with the power switch here. You're also going to get in the box, you're going to get a HDMI cable, a USB cable, and a USB-C cable. So you can use those to connect your computer to the board. You'll see that we have a camera at the top of our board. The camera does not come included with the board, but you can buy basically any webcam and attach it to your board and plug it in through the USB-C port. The board comes with two speakers, so you can see here on the front. There's one on the right and left side. It also comes with a few accessories. For example, you'll get a digital eraser, so you can use this to erase things that you've written on the board digitally. It comes with a remote control. So if you want to control the volume and other functions remotely, you can do that using the remote control. It comes with 4 pens, which you can use to write on the board or control the board. The pens do not have batteries. You don't need batteries for these pens. They're static pens. And it comes with 4 of these. It does not come with the cloth, but if you would like to clean your board, we recommend that you use a microfiber cloth and just use that to wipe fingerprints off of the board. If you'd like to disinfect the board, then use a little bit of isopropyl alcohol sprayed onto the cloth, and then use that to wipe the board. But if you do that, please be careful not to get too close to the edge, since the alcohol could potentially get into the cracks at the edge of the board.